Today we are making egg omelette. Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. My name is Gertrude and nice to meet you. These are the ingredients I will use: some carrots, tomatoes, bell pepper, and also chopped spring onion. And I'll also add salt, chili powder, and garlic paste, which is optional. These are the eggs I'll be using for my omelette. In a bowl, I will break the egg, then go ahead to add the salt and the garlic paste and chili powder. I will mix everything together. If you are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. This is Getty Cooks. We make anything related to food on this channel. If you are interested, kindly subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also hit on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. At this point, I'm adding my veggies. I will add everything and then mix them and set it aside. So guys, please stay tuned. Okay, now I'm using butter to fry my egg. You can also use oil if that is what you have available. It has heated already, and I just pour my egg mixture. I'll let it be on the fire for some few minutes, and this is after 10 good minutes. I'll just flip it for the other side to also fry very well. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos and for subscribing. I do appreciate all your efforts. Our egg omelette is all done and ready. This is the final outcome. This looks so yummy, delicious, and full of flavor. I hope you try this recipe at home, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video to reach more people, and also subscribe to the channel and leave a comment so I come your way again. See you guys in my next video. Bye.